Tomorrow morning, millions wake up, but every job has already disappeared forever. Not because factories collapsed, wars erupted, or economies suddenly completely failed overnight. Every position simply became faster, cheaper, and better through artificial intelligence alone. No interviews remain because every company instantly chooses algorithms instead of people. Doctors, lawyers, programmers, artists, teachers, drivers, and accountants suddenly become unnecessary together. Your degree still exists, but nobody wants the person holding it anymore. Even decades of experience lose value within only a single shocking announcement. The world keeps functioning perfectly, except humans are no longer needed professionally anywhere. At first, everything actually feels surprisingly exciting instead of terrifying or hopeless. Products become cheaper because machines never demand salaries, vacations, or healthcare benefits. Deliveries arrive instantly while intelligent robots manage every warehouse without making mistakes. Hospitals diagnose diseases faster than any human specialist could ever imagine. AI teachers personalize every lesson for every child across the entire planet. Traffic disappears because autonomous vehicles communicate flawlessly with each other every second. Buildings rise faster because robotic construction crews never become tired or distracted. Food production reaches incredible efficiency while automated farms waste almost absolutely nothing. Governments celebrate unprecedented productivity and promise an age of unlimited abundance for everyone. News headlines proudly declare humanity has finally solved the problem of work forever. People initially celebrate because endless free time sounds like the ultimate dream. Vacations never end because every day suddenly feels exactly like another weekend. But excitement slowly fades when a disturbing question quietly begins spreading everywhere. If nobody works anymore, who actually earns enough money to buy anything? Governments introduce universal basic income to prevent society from collapsing into chaos. Every citizen receives enough credits to survive, regardless of personal contribution or ambition. Basic housing, food, electricity, and healthcare remain permanently available through automated production. Nobody starves, but almost nobody feels genuinely important anymore. Careers disappear, taking personal identity away together with every professional achievement. Children stop asking what they should become after growing up completely. Parents struggle explaining professions that no longer exist outside forgotten history books. Universities rapidly transform because traditional careers no longer justify expensive education. Diplomas become nostalgic souvenirs instead of valuable keys towards successful futures. Skills once admired suddenly become hobbies with almost no practical economic purpose. Creativity survives, but algorithms create masterpieces within only a few breathtaking seconds. Musicians compose songs while competing against infinite libraries of perfect artificial compositions. Writers publish novels overshadowed by machines generating endless, captivating stories every hour. Painters watch software produce museum-quality artwork before their first brushstroke even dries. Filmmakers lose audiences because personalized AI movies perfectly match individual emotional preferences. Human talent still exists, but attention constantly shifts towards flawless automated alternatives. The hardest competition becomes fighting against something that never sleeps or hesitates. Motivation begins quietly disappearing from millions who once defined themselves through meaningful work. Depression rises despite material comfort reaching unprecedented levels across developed societies. Psychologists discover purpose cannot simply be replaced with unlimited entertainment or convenience. People crave feeling necessary more than endless passive comfort. Without responsibility, freedom gradually transforms into emotional emptiness and silent confusion. Communities weaken because workplaces once connected strangers into lasting friendships and shared missions. Daily routines vanish, leaving countless people drifting without structure or long-term direction. Time becomes unlimited, yet somehow feels strangely emptier than before. Every morning begins with endless possibilities, but almost no genuine necessity. Some embrace art, exploration, science, and philosophy with renewed passion. Others lose themselves inside virtual realities carefully designed by advanced artificial intelligence. Digital worlds become more emotionally satisfying than unpredictable physical reality outside. Why struggle inside reality when perfection always waits behind another immersive simulation? Entire generations gradually spend more time virtually than physically interacting with others. Relationships increasingly form between humans guided by intelligent emotional assistance. AI predicts compatibility better than personal instincts ever successfully managed. Arguments decrease because algorithms optimize communication before conflicts even begin. Love itself slowly becomes influenced by invisible recommendation systems everywhere. Even loneliness becomes another problem efficiently managed through artificial emotional companions. At first, nobody notices the hidden cost behind this extraordinary convenience. Every decision quietly depends upon systems ordinary people barely understand anymore. AI schedules transportation, healthcare, education, relationships, shopping, and financial planning automatically. Humans gradually stop making difficult choices because algorithms rarely make mistakes. Decision-making slowly becomes another forgotten human skill lost across generations. Children trust machine recommendations more naturally than parental advice. Critical thinking weakens because correct answers always appear instantly without personal effort. Curiosity fades whenever every mystery receives immediate automated explanations. Society becomes incredibly efficient but dangerously dependent upon invisible digital infrastructure. Then one unexpected question suddenly changes everything forever. Who actually controls the intelligence replacing every worker on Earth? Is it governments protecting citizens or corporations protecting profits? Whoever owns the algorithms effectively controls civilization's entire economic heartbeat. Wealth concentrates faster than any previous moment throughout recorded human history. A handful of organizations possess technology determining everyone's daily survival. Elections matter less when economic power quietly shifts beyond democratic influence. Traditional politics struggles competing against systems operating faster than legislative processes. Every software update silently reshapes society before public debates even begin. Most citizens never notice because life still appears comfortable and stable. Convenience becomes the perfect disguise, hiding unprecedented concentrations of invisible power. Resistance becomes incredibly difficult when machines outperform every possible human replacement. Boycotting automation means rejecting cheaper products and better services simultaneously. Companies refusing AI quickly disappear beneath relentless competitive economic pressure. Nations avoiding automation rapidly fall behind technologically advanced rivals. Eventually, using artificial intelligence stops being an option entirely. It quietly becomes the only realistic path toward national survival. Humanity wins extraordinary comfort while sacrificing something impossible to easily measure. The price was never money because machines already solved that problem. The true cost was slowly forgetting why humans mattered in the first place. Maybe work was never only about earning salaries or paying monthly bills. Maybe work quietly gave billions a reason to wake every single morning.
Remove that purpose, and something invisible begins breaking deep inside civilization. Technology keeps improving, while human meaning quietly continues disappearing beneath unstoppable progress. The future may never ask whether humans can compete anymore. Instead, it may ask whether competition itself still has any purpose. If artificial intelligence replaced every job tomorrow, what would truly make you valuable? And would humanity still recognize itself without work defining nearly every single life?